This is a quick overview of how the D3Tool tooth segmentation app works. So I've got my model already imported here, which you can do by pressing this button and following the file browser. I'm going to read this agreement one time, acknowledge the things that it says, so it's important that you read that. And then we're going to go ahead and indicate our teeth. So this allows you to choose what teeth you're segmenting. So we're maxillary permanent teeth here. If there are any missing teeth, you can skip that tooth. If there are third molars, when you get to the end, you can click on that tooth and then go to the next one. So it'll take you back around, and you can just keep going around and identify all the teeth that are in the arch. If you mislabel one, you can right click to delete it. If you put one in the wrong spot, you can left click and drag to get it where it needs to go. And once that's done, now we can upload this model to have it pre-processed for tooth segmentation. So you'll get a little indicator here that says what's happening, so it's being uploaded. And then it'll say it's processing. So I'm going to pause and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And after about 40 seconds to a minute, this model is going to turn chalky white and the indicator there is going to go away, and that lets you know that it's done being pre-processed. So now what we'll do is we'll enter the interactive segmentation mode, and the model is going to turn kind of a speckly red in areas, and then that red will kind of condense after a couple of seconds, and now you're ready to start adjusting things. So this model has a really good scan of the sulcus, so it's not going to have a lot of trouble. You can press the skeletonize button to preview where it wants to break apart this mesh, and we want to right click just to break up any islands that are within the teeth. Okay, and once that's done, we can re-skeletonize to make sure that we successfully did that. And there's a little extra one there. And we can take a look in between and make sure that our in the tunnels has segmented cleanly, and it has. Okay, and now we can move on to the next step. And if you do a good job of cleaning up your initial feature detection, you won't get errors like this. So I was a little bit careless and didn't notice that this this area here was not did not have a red line on it. So let's draw that. Be a little tough to get up under there, but that'll work. And then same thing right here. This there was probably some initial red there that then got filtered out. So let's re-skeletonize. Now we should be good to go. And this is what I get for doing a model that I've never done before for my live demo. Perfect. So now all the teeth are separated out, and we're looking for any areas where one tooth might have bled into the other one, and you can fix that by left clicking and painting from one tooth into the other, or left clicking and painting to then kind of steal one area away from one tooth and apply it back to the other one. All right, Now it's going to ask you to rate the segmentation. This one looks great to me. And as it's breaking apart this mesh, it's also going to send a segmented copy to a different server to later be analyzed for a machine learning algorithm. So now we've got our individual teeth. You can use those for whatever you want. You can move them around, rotate them. If you want models that can be used for wax ups and mesh mixer and things like that, you can use this premium feature to make all the teeth convex. So same thing, all these little patches will get uploaded and then they'll be closed in on the bottom and kind of remeshed and made nice, and then they'll behave a lot better for things like wax ups and mock ups and stuff like that. And again, after about 45 seconds to a minute, your solid teeth will pop in, and there they all are. Now, this tooth could be used to Boolean union with another model. And that's the overview. Thank you for watching.